Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to install JMARS on your Linux machine. So the first thing you're going to do is go to our website at jmars.mars.asu.edu. Next you're going to go to an area called Login right here. This area is where you're going to create your new account if you don't already have an account, and you're going to use your email and your password to sign into JMARS every time. When you're done, you're going to go right below it to the JMARS public downloads. You'll see that there's two different versions of JMARS. One is just JEarth. It only has the Earth body in it. And then there's the JMARS version, which is right here. And this has body switching capabilities inside it. So you can switch from Mars to the Earth, to the Moon, to Mercury, Venus, and some of the outer moons. So we are going to click Linux 64. You'll see it's downloading right here. When it's done downloading, you're going to open a terminal. Bring this over here. And I'm downloading to my downloads folder, so I'm going to CD there. And then I'm going to SH the file name. Press enter. And you'll see it should start. Move this out of the way. When it's done, you'll get a window to pop up, your welcome window. Just press next. Here you're asked where you want your destination folder for JMARS. I'm just going to leave it as is, but you can change it to whatever you like, and just keep in mind that once you change it right now, you can't change it again. So press next. And then if you'd like to create symlinks, you can click this box. Press next. It's going to download. Here you're asked how often you want to check for JMARS updates. You can see that there's a couple different options for you. If you pick never, you have to do it manually. So I'm going to actually pick never so I can show you how to do that once we open JMARS. Press next. And I'd like to create an icon and run JMARS right away, so both of those boxes are clicked for me. Press finish. And then here is where you're going to put your login information. If you log in as a guest, you lose a lot of the capabilities that JMARS has, but for this purpose, I'm just going to log in as guest. You'll notice that JMARS opens into the Mars body. Keep in mind that when you log out of JMARS, whichever body you're on last is what JMARS will open up to the next time. So for example, if I go up to body and select body and I change to the Earth body and I log out of Mars, the next time I log back in, Earth will show up. But you can change this as much as you like. Another thing to keep in mind is that your layer manager, which is located right here, as you add layers to it and switch bodies, these layers are all temporarily saved. So for example, if I go to Earth and add a few layers and then I go back to Mars and then I go back to Earth, all of my layers are still there. This is only a temporary save, so if you log out of JMARS and you log back in, those layers will no longer be there. If you go up to File, Save Session, this will save all of the layers and all of your body settings. So if I have multiple layers and multiple bodies and I go up to Save Session, they will be saved on each body. If you want to update manually for changes, you're going to go up to Help, Check for Updates, and you're going to get a window that pops up. Press next, and it's going to check for any available updates, and it says I'm using the latest version, so I press finish. Okay, well that's it. Thanks for joining me. Bye.